Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to make Google Chrome default browser. If you want to make Google Chrome default browser on your PC, you can do it easily. First of all, click Start to open the menu and select Setting from the option menu. Now click the App tab and select Default App from the side panel. And then scroll down. After that, you can see Web Browser. There you can choose for default. Just click it and you can see every browser is showing here. So I just select Chrome browser. Now Google Chrome is default browser on your PC. If you find this video helpful, please like, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.